cam followers and rocker arms. Cam followers on an overhead cam cylinder head are used to transfer the mechanical energy from the camshaft to the valves. By using a different method, rocker arms on a 2.3-liter HSC engine also transfer the mechanical energy from the camshaft to the valve. Now let's consider cam follower and rocker arm removal. First, rotate the camshaft so that the base circle of the cam is facing one of the cam followers. Use a valve spring compressor and compress the valve spring. Then lift the cam follower off the lash adjuster and valve stem and slide it out. Inspect the cam follower carefully for any scruffing, excessive wear, cracks, nicks, and burrs. Inspect the pad end where the cam follower comes in contact with the valve stem. If the pad is grooved, replace the cam follower. Do not try to true this surface by grinding. Now lift out the lash adjuster. Place the cam follower, lash adjuster, and all other such cylinder head components on a numbered storage rack to ensure proper reassembly. Now let's consider a fulcrum-mounted rocker arm on a 2.3-liter HSC cylinder head. The rocker arms were loosened and the push rods removed before the cylinder head was removed from the engine. Remove the rocker arm fulcrum attaching bolt. Then remove the fulcrum and the rocker arm. Check the fulcrum seat for excessive wear, cracks, nicks, or burrs, and inspect the rocker arm fulcrum bolt for damaged threads. Again, careful inspection of the entire rocker arm assembly is very important. If there is excessive wear, the rocker arm should be replaced. Now let's consider a fulcrum-mounted rocker arm on the 1.9-liter cylinder head. Remember, it's operated by hydraulic tappets between the camshaft and the rocker arm. Remove the attaching bolt. Then remove the fulcrum, the rocker arm, the tappet guide retainer, tappet guide, and the hydraulic tappet. While on rocker arms, let's consider another cylinder head. This is the head from a 4.9-liter light truck engine. Here we're concerned only with removal and replacement of rocker arm studs. The procedures also apply to some 5-liter and 5.8-liter engines. Inspect the rocker arm studs for stripped or otherwise damaged threads. If there is wear or damage, the stud must be replaced. To remove the damaged stud, use a rocker arm stud remover. Place the bearing over the stud and seat it on the flat boss of the head. Thread the remover screw onto the stud and tighten. Place the counterboard end of the outer sleeve over the remover screw. Thread it down until it contacts the top of the bearing. Hold the remover screw with a wrench while turning the outer sleeve with another wrench to remove the stud. To replace rocker arm studs, coat the end of the new stud with polyethylene grease or its equivalent. Then align the stud with the stud bore. Put the stud replacer tool over the new stud. Then tap the stud replacer with a hammer. When the stud contacts the stud boss, it's installed.